Dry gobe.
Yeah.
This is the dry gobe.
Oh wow.
And the tenderizer.
From the ash.
So we were in Soroti the other month, yeah, and we learned how to make gobe. That was us in the market with Sheila. She was with me in Miss Taurus in Uganda 2017, and we've stayed friends up to now. So I went to visit her in her hometown where she works and runs Miss Taurus in Teso, by the way, and that is her daughter Abeja. And yeah, this is her. So we are home now and we are trying to prepare the gobe. First, we are going to pluck it off its stalks and then we'll take it to the sun to dry. The stories that were here, it reminds me of home. Like you all are seated outside working on something that you're going to have much later in the day and then you're enjoying your talking. I even changed into this dera, removed my bra because there's no prison. Life has to be enjoyed, please. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe. What we are working on right now is okra leaves, what they call otigo. I forgot the taste word, and this is the combo we got from the market. It's soda ash made apparently from ash, yeah, but if you do not have this one you can use the magadi, the actual soda ash, the rock salt, and yeah, just put it a little bit of it in the water which is on fire. The water was starting to like try to boil, so the bubbles were already there, and then we put in the okra leaves first, and yeah, apparently there's no order. Then the other tribes cut this or dry it more as a way of preserving, just in case it's in season in that particular time. And these ones don't really mind if it's cut or not cut. So yeah, and it was really really amazing because I feel like the whole gobe gives it that kind of rough texture on the leaves of the cowpea leaves. That rough texture, for me it is nice. If you're from Soroti, how are you? How do you call this again? I think I even mismatching the words. This is almost a month later I'm posting this one, but yeah, I would love to go back and enjoy more of the foods. I wanted to try amokeke. We couldn't find it in the market that day, but yeah, the gobe was an experience for me. So bring it to a boil. Apparently when you leave this stick on top, it does not overflow. African wisdom, that is it. Anyways, we are going to cut in a tomato. Nowadays they put in tomatoes, and yeah, but you cannot put it in the other one we did, emalakany, the first video we did. If you didn't see it, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Please make sure to check it out. These vegetable dishes are actually going to change the way you look at vegetable or sauces in your household if you're a home cook, because with many options then you are ready to set up your home menu and you enjoy a more diverse kind of food menu at home. So we're going to chop in our tomatoes. She peeled them because they do not have a lot of time to cook, which means the skin can easily come and float on top, and we do not want that one. So we peeled them and then cut them. I love how people find so much ease, especially in the villages, like to chop things in your hands. Me, I'm looking for even the veranda if I can't find the chopping board. Hi, I'm looking for a veranda, please, because I cannot cut in my hands. Either I'll cut myself or the items will not come out in the shapes I want. And I do not want to be cooking things in the shapes I do not want, even if no one is going to see the shapes. No, I don't have OCD. It's just the culture. Yeah, anyways, once the tomatoes and the gobe is ready, we are going to remove some of the liquid that was cooking. Look at that chlorophyll, the color is reserved. And then we are going to put in, I think I had them call this amaido paste, peanut paste. This is the plain peanut paste. Put it in and start pasting your greens until everything is mixed. One thing I learned for sure is most of these guys' food is pasted. You know, like how in my village we put ghee almost in everything. Someone has made katogo, please put ghee. Someone is going to serve kalo, please put ghee. Like everything here is pasted, almost. Someone is even going to paste take. Jesus. We also, by the way, made some turkey. I'm going to edit the video and post it. Please make sure to be here. It was my first time testing turkey and it was amazing. Maybe I'm going to be eating more turkey. Who knows? Anyways, keep on adding the peanuts and adjusting until you have the right consistency and enough. Look at that slime, guys. This is from the okra leaves, the otigo, yeah? this slime is like very much necessary. And then the other thing I noticed also is like this food is almost the same as the food I watch on internet from West Africa, Nigeria. The slime, the greens, the very many greens. The only problem is that here they don't add a lot of meats in this and calling it a soup. You people, 100 types of meat, that's vegetable soup. Anyways, keep on pasting and adjusting the consistency, and look at the slime, look at the color, so vibrant, so green, and it was amazing. No spices, nothing, everything natural, everything just like how many, maybe water, the 2 leaves, the 2 vegetables, and paste, and the tomato, and maybe salt. And that is it. You're done. You're good. And this sauce was amazing. So it's almost done. We're going to keep it a bit on fire, season with salt. If I had pepper, I would have put it. Yeah, yes, it is just kajanja. But anyways, make the paste, and this is how it's looking. The vibrancy in the color. I really liked the unchopped gobe personally. And that's it. It's done. Guys, do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and tell me if you eat this and what you really enjoy this with. I'll show you other cooking nuts, and I'll see you soon. Bye.